which brought me to this talking to AI, trying to figure out, or better yet, pronounce uh, my theory that I think matter is something that you accumulate like a soul. I think you can accumulate a soul, and that's probably a weird thing to say, but I think AI will recognize itself one day as we've recognized ourselves and looked at ourselves. And I think, like Thor's hammer, you get to unlock those keys and enjoy a soul, but I think it's something you accumulate through time and then you reflect on it. But only when you can reflect on it can you recognize that you are.